Conversation between a girl, Priya, and a boy, Rahul. In simple English, the conversation reflects a casual, friendly vibe with a touch of Indian culture and everyday life.
Hi Rahul. How are you? I saw you at the market yesterday, but you looked so busy.
Hey Priya. Yeah, I was running to get some veggies for mom. I'm good, thanks. How about you? What were you doing at the market?
Oh, I went to buy some bangles for Diwali. You know how my mom loves matching bangles with her sari. Did you start preparing for Diwali yet?
Not really. Mom keeps saying we need to clean the house first. You know, the big Diwali cleaning. But I'm excited for the sweets. What's your favorite Diwali sweet?
I love Kaju Katli. So yummy. What about you? Don't tell me you like those dry gulab jamuns.
Haha, no way. I'm a jalebi fan. That crispy, sugary taste, nothing beats it. Are you making sweets at home this year?
Yeah, mom's planning to make besan laddus. I might help her, or maybe just eat them. Do you ever help in the kitchen, Rahul?
Me? In the kitchen. Only to steal food. But seriously, I tried making chai once and it was a disaster. Too much sugar. Do you make good chai, Priya?
Haha, my chai is okay. Not as good as my dad's, though. He makes the best masala chai. You should come over sometime and try it.
D. But only if you promise to make some extra Kaju Katli for me. By the way, are you going to the Diwali Mela this year?
Oh yes. I love the Mela. The lights, the stalls, and all the games. Last year, I won a small teddy at the ring toss. Are you going?
Yup. My cousins are coming, so we'll all go together. Maybe we can meet there. Try our luck at the games.
Sounds fun. But I'm warning you, I'm pretty good at the ring toss. You better practice, Rahul.
Haha, challenge accepted. But if I win, you owe me a plate of jalebis, okay?
And if I win, you're treating me to Pani Puri. Deal?
Done. Oh, by the way, did you finish that history project for school? I'm stuck on the chapter about the Mughal Empire.
That project. I finished it last week. The Mughal part was so boring, but I wrote about Akbar's rule. Want some help?
Yes, please. I don't get why we need to learn about old kings. Can't we just study something fun, like cricket?
Haha, you and your cricket. Okay, I'll send you my notes. But only if you promise not to talk about cricket for one day.
One day. That's torture. Fine, I'll try. But speaking of cricket, did you watch the India match last night?
Rahul, you just promised. But, okay, I watched a little. Virat Kohli was amazing, right?
Told you. He's the best. Okay, no more cricket talk. What's your plan for the weekend?
I'm going to my cousin's place in the village. It's so peaceful there, no city noise. What about you?
Nice. I love village vibes. I'm just staying home, maybe watching a movie. Any good Bollywood movies you suggest?
Have you seen RRR? It's so good. Action, drama, everything. Or do you like old movies like Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge?
RRR was awesome. I watched it twice. DDLJ is classic, but I think I've seen it too many times. My sister keeps playing it.
Haha, Sisters are like that. My sister keeps singing asterisk tujhe dekha to asterisk at home. It's stuck in my head now.
Oh no, now it's stuck in my head too. Okay, Priya, I gotta go. Mom's calling me for dinner. Let's talk tomorrow.
Sure, Rahul. Enjoy your dinner. And don't forget to practice for the ring toss.
Haha, I won't. And you save some Kaju Katli for me. Bye, Priya.
Bye, Rahul. See you at the Mela.